Hey guys, Larissa at Practical Pieces. I'm back for another Reduce, Reuse, Refashion. That happens every last Tuesday of the month, where I like to take something, whether we have at home or just that we maybe find at the thrift store, and turn it into something new. Today I'm all about leather. You know I love my leather. I have different projects on the blog where I've made upholstery, different things, but I've also loved to create with things like a leather bag or a leather backpack or even a leather coat or a leather couch. You can even find those on the curbside and use them to make so much. Today I'm going to be showing you how I take this leather purse. You know, sometimes stains happen, damage happen, they're no good anymore, or maybe we're just tired of them, or some other reason, but we have leather bags. Or if you just want to look for them at a thrift store, they're usually there plenty. Just got to check inside, there'll be a label in there that tells you whether or not it's man-made material or leather, but you want to look for leather. And this one I liked because you can see this back panel has a lot of good space here, a nice big piece, but definitely functional. Also, you can yank off of these as the buckles, the zippers, the strap even. We've used purses to make headbands for my girls. And I made crafts, just toys, all kinds of things. A lot of potential here in these things, so no need to dump them, and if you want to donate them, that's great, but if you'd rather make use of it, here's an idea. I love to use cast iron to cook in my kitchen, and one of the things that I kind of find irritating is the only thing you can find is this cloth cover for the handle there, and you can see this one has seen better days, and it's time for me to make a new one. And so I wanted to create something that would be a little more durable, a little more sturdy, maybe more rustic, more my style, just all around more functional for what I need it to do. So I'm going to show you how we'll take this leather purse, cut it up, turn it into something that we can use in our kitchen. All right, let's go. here we go. Wasn't that fun? Simple, easy project I got done in just a matter of minutes, just a matter of taking time to do something like this. I'm enjoying it. I like the look of it. I like the feel of it in my hand, and much better than my burned up one that I had before. But if you've ever taken anything like that from a purse, tell me about it down below. I'd love to hear it. I'd love to hear your ideas. I'd love to hear your feedback on this. I don't know if you use cast iron yourself, but definitely an asset in the kitchen. It's easy to use, been used for centuries. It infuses iron into your food, easy to clean. It's just a matter of knowing how to take care of it and maintain it. It makes it easy to take care of. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon down below to get notifications. Subscribe as well so you can get updates on everything that I have here. I've got much more to share. I even have recipes over my blog using cast iron that you can check out, like my cabbage skillet pizza, or you could call it cabbage skillet lasagna. And also sign up for my newsletter. It comes right to your inbox. It's free. It'll come with some freebies for you, including a discount to my shop. But I just would love to hear from you. So until next time, check out my other reduce, reuse, refashion fun at prodigalpieces.com. Bye.